Welcome back. I'm teaching you the topic, the shopping list mystery. And in previous video, I told you that the grocery owner and Jean Egmont both were just involved in the crime, although no one could prove that they were guilty in the crime. After being arrested, or just when the police arrested them, the crime was stopped. They understood that they were the person who were involved in the crime, although no one became able to disclose or just decode the mystery over there. Just I'm going to read it. The policeman then showed photographers uh, of the store and Jean Egmont on the projector, and the photographs and the of the store owner and the store and the grocery owner and its grocery shop and Jean Egmont on the projector. Whatever information the police gathered about the crime, they just presented on the projector there. He also showed the copies of the shopping list, and they also showed the copy list over there. The final slide showed the items found in her car at the time of arrest, including a child's school bag and the folder with some sheets of music in it. And the final slides showed the items found in car. And the final slide when the police were presenting the thing on the projector in the final list. Simply the items found in the car, and there were a child's bag along with some sheets of music in it. Often Jean would drop her daughter off to her piano lessons before she went shopping. Yeah. And Jean, when she used to go to the grocery shop, she used to drop her daughter to the piano lessons to learn, and she used to go there. Though Sandeep enjoyed hearing about the shopping list mystery, a strange restlessness engulfed him. And just when he was listening the shopping list mystery, and just there was a strange restlessness just affected him, or just he became very much passionate. He became very much curious, interested to listen the information being provided on the through projector. Later he found himself in Signor Sachirani Hotel suite, eating a splendid dinner along with his uncle. And by listening all the thing, he went with his uncle in the uh, with his uncle to take the interview of the famous Italian violinist named Signor Saccherini, and just eating a splendid dinner along with his uncle, and they took the nice dinner there. But Sandeep's mind was not on the food or even on the famous violinist. His mind kept going over the event on the evening, and just although he was just taking delicious food in the hotel, and he was with the famous violinist player, although he was not happy, and he was not concentrated, or he was not be on the present. Just he was thinking about all the thing whatever happened at the evening. His mind kept going over the event of the evening. Yeah, just being in the hotel with them, just he was thinking about the evening whatever being happened there. He was deep in thought when suddenly he heard his name being mentioned. And at the time, he was in deep thinking when his name was being mentioned with Uncle Shekhar. My nephew is a keen violinist, Uncle Shekhar was saying. And Uncle Shekhar was saying that he was also very much keen, curious, interested, or he like to a young violinist, yeah, remarked Sachirini. Perhaps he would like to ask me a few questions too. And just the violinist added the thing that just the child was very much interested playing the violinist. Then simply he should ask few questions to him too. Sandeep was totally unprepared. I ignore such any. I want to ask you whether, and then in a flash everything became clear to him. And just he was just started talking with the violinist. At the same time, all thing whatever was going in his mind about the evening event, whatever being presented through the projector, became clear. He understood all the thing, or simply he understood, or he solved the shopping list mystery. Just we are going to read after it. Just how did he solve the problem? I want to ask you about the Nutcracker Suite. He exclaimed. Nutcracker Suite is the name of a suite, just a place. And just he want to ask you about. Just he exclaimed. Just he wanted to ask about the suite or the place over there. I think he is a little nervous, said Uncle Shekhar, quietly pleased by his response. And by listening his response, because he offered him to ask the question with the violinist, famous violinist, but he didn't ask the question. He became unable to ask the question, and just he asked a other question about the suite. So his uncle thought that he was nervous. I'm not nervous. Sandeep was indignant. And just he became angry and told just he was not nervous. The mystery about the shopping list code lies in the sheet of music, not in the shopping list. And just he told. The mystery of the shopping list and the code was in the music, not in the shopping list. What nonsense are you talking, Sandeep? Uncle said. And Uncle said, what are you talking? Because he didn't believe. He didn't believe in him. Because the renowned personalities and the persons who were presented or just took part in the conference, they became unable to solve the mystery. And simple a child was telling there that he solved the mystery, and just he wanted to disclose. So it was simply difficult for him to understand that he could present it or not. No, no, Antonio Sassini intervened. Violinist never talk rubbish, and just he told that he is like an artist, and artist has a meaning in each and every sentence, whatever he speaks. The only thing I like almost as much as my music is a good mystery, and just the only thing I like almost as much as my music is a good mystery. Tell me all about this mysterious shopping list, young man. And just he showed his belief in the young child, and just he started asking, just how did you understand? What do you, how did you decode it? Also, Sandeep told Signor as best as he could, and just he started making him understand as good as he could, as could he do. What others find difficult, we musicians find easy, said the violin maestro. And just the master of the violin simply told that the, the thing which are difficult for the others, it simply becomes simple for the musicians. Why, Mr. Subramaniam? I think you must contact the Belgium police at once. And just the signor told him or his uncle, Subramaniam, to contact the police. Shekhar Subramaniam had no option but to agree. A few quick telephone calls revealed that the Belgian policeman was in the same hotel. And just he phoned the police, and a quick telephone calls revealed that, and the Belgian policeman was in the same hotel, and there was a policeman in the hotel, and when he phoned, he arrived there. I am coming along. I don't want to miss the fun, said the signor suddenly, picking up his violin. And just picking his violin, he also told that he was just very much interested to listen the young child. The policeman looked doubtful when he heard the story, but when someone as famous as Antonio Saccherini was insisting, he thought he would better agree to project one of his slides onto the wall on the hotel room. And just the police was also doubtful, or they have doubt or suspect on the child, because he was a child, as I told you, and just very renowned personalities or dignities had been arrived or just took part in the conference, although they didn't disclose, they became unable to disclose, and just a child was disclosing the code, just decoding the code. So the police was also not believing in him, although there was a famous Antonio, the violinist player, no, and because of him, the police was thinking to listen it, and just they thought that, or simply sorry, he thought he would better agree to project one of his slides on the wall of the hotel room. And just he thought to project or just present the slides on the hotel room again. Can you see what I mean, said Sandeep excitedly as the slides was shown on the wall. And just Sandeep told there that they could understand whatever just he wanted to tell they or not. Of course, but of course, go ahead and show them, Signor Saccherini urged, offering him violin. And just he offered the violin, and by offering it, just the Signor just insisted or just told him to start presenting whatever there in his mind about it. Sandeep took the instrument and explained, the piece of music you can see on the slide is taken from Tchaikovsky Nutcracker Suite, and it was the name of the suite. And just Sandeep took the instrument and explained. He started explaining there that the music had been taken from the Nutcracker Suite. This is how it goes, and he played it from memory. And just he explained the way it goes from there and how it played it. Now let me play the music as it is written on the sheet. And just he told that let him play the music as it was written in the sheet, and through the music they could find out how to, where to get the person who was with money, and how to just do it. And just we have finished the fifth page, sorry, the fourth page of the topic. And just in next video I will tell you how did he play the music and how did he find out the, or disclose or decode the list or the shopping mystery list. That much in this video. And just I want to tell you, keep on watching the videos and try to understand and go through the topic. It is very interesting topic. And again at last, be safe and try to save your family members.